If you've always wanted to try 3D printing but felt it was too complicated, the EasyThreed entry-level 3D printer is the perfect place to start. This compact, beginner-friendly machine takes all the stress out of learning and makes 3D printing fun, simple, and super accessible. What makes it stand out is how easy it is to use. It comes pre-assembled, so there's no complicated setup. Just plug in the included power adapter, load your filament, and start printing. Even if you're a complete beginner, you'll be creating your first model in minutes. It supports PLA and TPU 1.75mm filaments, which is amazing for a starter printer. PLA is great for everyday projects and learning, while TPU lets you print flexible items like phone cases, cable protectors, toys, and custom grips. Most entry-level printers don't offer that flexibility. Despite its small size, the EasyThreed delivers clean, smooth, and accurate prints thanks to its stable frame and reliable mechanism. It's quiet, safe, and perfect for homes, classrooms, workshops, or offices. Because the hot parts are protected, it's also great for kids and beginners. It's lightweight, portable, and doesn't take up space. Perfect for people with small desks or limited workspace. Maintenance is simple too. Swapping filament, cleaning the nozzle, or removing prints is super easy. Overall, this is a beginner printer that truly lives up to its name. If you want an affordable, reliable, and simple way to enter the world of 3D printing, the EasyThreed makes it easy, fun, and absolutely worth it.